Welcome back. Now, Windows 10 does give you some tools that will help you to manage your workspace. For example, if you are working with a particular window or application, in this case, we're working with Google Chrome, what we can do is we can minimize that browser and we can pull that browser all the way to the right-hand side. And what you're going to notice is that it will then take up the left side of your screen. It will then give you clickable access to all of your other open documents. And once we have the window on the right-hand side, we can then use the application that we want. Now, another tool that you have is the ability to shake your document and to remove all of the other clutter from your workspace. So for example, if we have other windows in the background and we don't want them to be visible, all we'll need to do is to take the application that we want to work with, and if we shake it, then you'll notice then that all of those other applications will then be minimized. And of course, if we want them to be visible again, all we'll need to do is to pull that application all the way to the right-hand side, and then we'll have access to all of our other windows again. Now, we also have the ability to create different desktops. So for example, what we would do is to come down to our task view. We're going to click that task view. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click this button that says New Desktop. And you'll notice then that we have access to a different desktop and a different desktop experience depending on how we want to organize our work. So if we want to keep certain applications open in one desktop, we can do that and then start a new desktop rather than clearing all of our applications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.